Talk about prime factorization. Prime factorization is to write out a number in factored form, which means you're saying something times something times something times something using only prime numbers. Probably most of you, if you did prime factorization, did it using a factor tree. There are other ways to do prime factorization, but factor trees are probably the easiest way. What you do is you pick out one pair of factors other than 1 and itself to get that number. What's a pair of factors for 24? What times what is 24?
2 times 12.
2 times 12. Then you say, okay, is this number a prime number? 2 is a prime number. I circle it because I know that's going to be part of my answer and I can't do anything with 2. Is 12 a prime number? No. So I'm going to divide 12 up again. That's why they call it a tree, because we're making a whole bunch of branches. So then I factor 12. What times what is 12? 2 times 6. 2 is a prime number. 6 is not. I can factor that again. 2 times 3. 2 is prime, 3 is prime. So my prime factorization is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. If you grab your calculator and you do 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 and hit equals, what do you suppose it's going to give you?
24.
24, exactly. So when I write as a product of prime factors, all of those are prime numbers, and if I multiply them all together, I get 24 for my answer.
That was easy.
Well, good.
Huh.
So now we're going to do 98 then. 98. I want to write it as the product of prime factors. What times what gives me 98? 2 times 49. We know it's an even number, so for sure 2 is going to work, right? 2 is a prime number. 49. Can we factor 49? Yeah. 7 times 7, right? Is 7 a prime number? Yes, it is, because it's only pair of factors is 1 times 7. There's no other way to break it down, right? So we're stuck right there.
2 times 7 times 7.
2 times 7 times 7, exactly. So now do 40 on your paper. I'm going to give 40. What you come up with?
2 times 2 times 2 times 5.
2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Everybody get that? All right. Then we must know what we're doing. Would you tell me if you didn't? Some of you might.